Tonight's first Hall of Honor recipient is Robert N. Brewer. Bob Brewer was reared in Phil Campbell, Alabama, where he graduated from high school in 1952. He received a Bachelor of Science degree from Auburn in 1955 and began his career as an assistant county agent in Coosa and Talladega counties. While working on a master's degree, Brewer worked with Dr. S. Allen Edgar on the poultry research farm at Auburn. In 1961, Brewer entered the private sector, working with Pillsbury Company in Cullman, Alabama, as its poultry health and management specialist. He left Cullman 4 years later to complete his doctorate from the University of Georgia. He returned to Auburn University in 1968 as an assistant professor of poultry science, beginning what would be a 32-year career in the department. Brewer's areas of interest and research included control of parasites in commercial poultry, improved energy management in broiler houses, and best management practices for intensive broiler production, which is the cornerstone of Alabama's poultry industry. He was appointed head of the Poultry Science Department in 1987 and served in that role until his retirement in 2001. During Brewer's tenure as head, student enrollment in the Poultry Science Department rose from less than 20 to a peak of 82 in 1998. He was instrumental in establishing 6 scholarship endowments at Auburn University and 2 with the Alabama Poultry Foundation. Initial funding for these 8 endowments totaled almost $1 million. In addition to building the department's teaching programs, Brewer enhanced its research and extension efforts by increasing the number of faculty and specialist productions to provide the expertise needed in the industry. It was under Brewer's direction that the department developed a new program devoted to expanding the effort in poultry processing and products, a program later identified as one of Auburn University's peaks of excellence. Brewer saw the need to improve research facilities in order to address the poultry industry's needs. To that end, he was instrumental in completing the final building phase of the Poultry Science Research Unit, in which research capabilities in nutrition, physiology, health, and processing were significantly improved. Brewer's crowning achievement was the Poultry Science Building, an 85,000 square foot research, classroom, and office facility on the Auburn campus. Though the building was not completed until 2005, the vision for it was cast by Brewer in the early 90s. He partnered with Alabama's poultry industry leaders, Auburn administrators, and government agencies to develop the concept, secure funding, and follow through on completion of the facility. Through Brewer's vision, dedication, and hard work, Auburn University is in a better position to meet the educational and research needs of the state's poultry industry. In recognition of his contributions, Brewer was inducted into the Alabama Poultry Hall of Fame in 1993. He truly has left a legacy that will continue to positively influence agriculture in Alabama for many years to come. Brewer and his wife, the former Martha Jane Cummings, have a son, Robert N. Jr., 2 grandsons, Clay and Chris, and 3 great-grandsons, Ryan, Derek, and Jared.